Hey, what's going on guys? Today we're going over the iPhone 7, which was released in 2016. We're going to be going over the goods, the bads, and if you can still even use this device in 2024. Let's start with the good stuff. So the iPhone 7 is sleek, lightweight, feels great in the hand. The 4.7-inch Retina display holds up pretty well. With a resolution of 1334 by 750, this display will be sharp and vibrant for most users. The 12-megapixel rear camera is still pretty decent. It has an f1.8 aperture and optical image stabilization, so it'll still be a pretty decent camera even in low light. Performance-wise, the A10 Fusion was pretty top-notch at the time, and it can still handle most apps and games with no problem. Though of course you have to have it supported by iOS 15, as that is the latest iOS that this device can support. This was also the first iPhone to introduce the stereo speaker system, and I think that's a perfect segue to get to the downsides. The removal of the headphone jack was a pretty big deal. You either used a pair of wireless earbuds or you would have to use the lightning adapter, which wasn't really ideal to everybody. Battery life was also a pretty big issue with this device. It was only a 1960 mAh battery, meaning you might need a charger during your day. And then there's software support. This iPhone hasn't gotten a software update since iOS 15 and hasn't gotten the last 2 updates, which is about to be 3 in the latest WWDC coming in a few days. So, can you still use the iPhone 7 today? I mean, if you're a light user, as like calls, text messages, emails, and stuff like that, then yeah, you're pretty good to go. But if you're into heavy gaming, video editing, or any other hard task for it to do, it probably won't keep up well. For photography, the iPhone 7 camera is okay, though it won't keep up with the iPhones that have night mode. Accessories are a mixed bag. You can still find cases and screen protectors for this phone, as it's the same size as the iPhone SE 2 and 3. Genuine accessories such as batteries or lightning adapters may not be as easy to find, or it could be a lot pricier. In conclusion, the iPhone 7 is still a solid option if you don't want the latest features or don't need them. It's a small and functional phone, especially if you want a smaller device. But for the top performance and latest features, I think a newer model will be better for you. But what do you think? Is the iPhone 7 still usable in 2024? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one.